What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we've got a banger. First and foremost, we are looking absolutely snazzy. 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5, modified, done up to my liking, but the mods never end. The additions never ever end, unfortunately, for my bank account. So in today's video, we're gonna be adding something that I actually complained about last video. Cue the clip through there. I don't like it because having to get a vacuum every so often is not the easiest thing, and also they're loud, they're heavy, and well, it's not fun to have to keep getting a vacuum. But before we get into the resolution of the problem, we actually have to go buy some other stuff for another video. I'm hoping Walmart has it, so to Walmart we go. That's actually one of my favorite recording locations. Oh, now they have a porta potty. Well, that's ruined. We have arrived to Walmart. Also, we're parked as far as we can. I don't know what happens if you park on that little yellow line, but I park there all the time. But we're gonna go camping soon, all right, on our very first camping trip, and I wanna be prepared. So I'm out here buying, I guess, the last little bits that I need. We got chairs, we got a tent, we got a place to sleep. We just need a source of water. This one holds 6 gallons. This one holds 5 gallons. This one has like a little faucet type thing going on. This one doesn't. Which one should I get?
Since you brought up the faucet, I think this one.
I think this one's gonna be just like the blue bins that we already have in the back of the truck anyways.
Oh, so you can just go into one of those?
Yeah. Let's see if you can figure it out though.
Okay. Well, you gotta rip this off.
Yeah. Okay, don't.
And then rip it through right there.
Yeah, I just figured that out. Let me tell you guys, I've been to this Walmart probably 5 or 10 times. Oh. And I had decided on that one because I didn't know how to work this one, but now I figured it out. Well, we got it. We definitely need to clean this up.
This should be part of your vlog.
Dude, open your eye.
I'm so nervous.
Did it fall on you?
Helmet.
I can't even see that.
Oh my god, babe!
Did it land on your forehead?
Just do it!
Can you not make those faces in public? If you guys are interested in seeing that camping trip, let me know down below in the comment section. I have never been camping, and this is gonna be my first time. And I think I have enough equipment to go, but I probably don't. We'll find out. Nonetheless, I've held off long enough. Today's video, we're talking about something that is a must-have. As you guys saw earlier in the video, that clip that I showed you guys, there was a lot of junk everywhere. Just due to off-roading, just everyday driving, especially if you have kiddos, they make a mess. I don't have a kiddo. I have Sandy, who isn't the neatest person. But nonetheless, the same company that sent out the side steps, that sent out the floor mats, that sent out the air compressor, also, okay, that, I mean, they're a one-stop shop. They sent this out. It's a portable vacuum. A portable vacuum. Now, look, it's like they heard my cry for help. Now, in my driveway, I can get an extension cable, pull the vacuum out, and get the vacuuming done. But, like I just said, I'm going camping. I'm going to be on the go. If I'm home, I'm not outside vacuuming my truck. It's just not how it is. I don't have time. Well, maybe I do have time. I just don't make the time. But with this, I don't need to. If I make a mess, all you got to do, hold this bad boy down, and it gets to going. So you get this inside the box, you get the manual, you get a charger, which I like is USB-C, which is pretty cool because all of the things they've sent me out charge with USB-C. You get multiple extensions on here too. So you get this one, and you also get a brush one. What happened to the brush one? That one's at home, sorry. Although now that they've sent me out these floor mats, I probably won't be using that very much just because this thing covers like absolutely everything. It's still a very good thing to have on hand just because, well, you never know. Accidents happen. So this bad boy is going right there next to the compressor. Bada boom, bada bing. We got the compressor and we got the vacuum. So again, check it out. It comes in this little box, as you guys can see, kind of like the size of your headlight. It's not very big at all. Super portable, super convenient, super useful. But nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know down below, do you carry around a portable vacuum, or do you just pull up to one of those free vacuuming spots, or do you just vacuum at home? I don't know about you, but I don't like doing the other two. I like just having something that's quick, convenient. Most of the times, it's not even a really big mess. Of course, every now and then you got to do a deep cleaning, which this wouldn't be too good for, but on the go, something spills, something falls, that is definitely a good thing to have on hand. But with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. It's been your boy. I'm out of like and outie. I'll see you tomorrow. Single tomorrow. Peace.